National Museum of course. Entering the Washington DC. Sa Washington na kami. Woohoo! Malamig naman.
Alright. Washington. At nadaan lang tayo ng Washington. Hindi na tayo magigadigan kasi wala na tayong oras. Alright.
Take the exit left. Interstate 495. Northbound.
Alright, it's Sunday morning, 11 o'clock. We're just passing through Washington DC, you know. Alright!
Mamma mia.
Ayan. Walang kapaguran, Team Lagawan. Walang kain, walang tulog. Tuloy ang ligaya. Team Lagawan.
Kain naman, ikaw
Oh,
naman.
kumain ba? Alright.
Siyempre, anong kain na arang bata o sa likod o? Walang ginagawa, kundi
Gawa sa kahiga.
I'm hungry. Oh, andyan na naman si ano nga siyo? Si ano nga siyo?
Dumaan lang kami ng Washington DC.
Watching, eating, peeing, pooing, mamma mia, sitting,
Ayan.
crying, asking for
Ang
yum 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 yum. Mamma
Ang
mia.
estimated time of arrival namin sa
Canada.
aming destination is 6 o'clock. Almost 7 o'clock. 7:56. Ang estimated time of arrival. Ayan, may 7 oras pa kaming biyahe. Uy, 8 oras pa pala. My bad. Kala ko 7. Alright. Update na lang later. Okay. Alright, daan muna tayo dito kasi sabi may scenic view. Ano ba to? Sakop ba ng ano to? Sakop na ng what is this? History of the Monocacy River Valley. Ayan. Alright. Cluster Spires of Frederick. Ayan. Oh, ito lang pala. Oh, you have to go there. Ito si Lieutenant General Jubal Early and Major General Lou Wallace, USA. The battle that saved Washington. Oh, this is the battle that saved Washington. Ayan. Ayun o, lamig na. Sa may Florida, naka t-shirt lang, naka short. Pagdating dito, naka winter jacket na. Nasa Washington pa lang kami. Alright. Sobrang lamig. Si madam oh, tapon ng baso. Ha? Yeah, it's cold. Alright, ayan na. Yun lang ang scenery natin. Wala namang maganda. Alright, lamig. At least naka ano, tingnan natin yung gulong natin, okay pa. Kapal pa. Ayan. Ayan si madam oh. Ang lamig. Ay, nako. Ay,
Malamig ang Cebu.
ay, nako. Dito, balot na balot tayo.
Yeah.
Ay!
Yes, we're almost
Ano yung kinakain mo, bebe?
seaweed na naman.
Ayan, alright. Continue ang biyahe ng Team Lagawan. Alright. Dito na tayo. Uy! Baltimore! Alright. Dito na tayo sa highway. Ayan. Walang kadahon-dahon ng mga kahoy. Patay lahat ng kahoy. Mabuti na lang walang snow. But may weather alert na snow.
Later.
Today is Sunday. So there's a visitor center. Alright. Okay. See you. Team Lagawan. Alright. Go.
That's right.
0.5.
That's right. I don't know 1.5 this one.
So nice. Team Lagawan. Nasa Washington. Pauwi na.
Ang driver, tagnan mo ang driver. Sige lang, kaon. Kaon, no? Doon yung kaon na naman, no? Yung pagkain ng mga ibon. Pagkain ng mga ibon. Sunflower seeds. May nagaraya.
Nice view. Yan ang gusto natin magbiyahe. Ganda ng view. Ayun, no? Puro patay. Puro patay ang kahoy.
Okay.
Yan. Hindi mo isa. Dapat lang sa baba, oh. Yan. Beautiful. Yan, oh. Pasmado ang ating ang ano natin, yung videographer. Pasmado. Yan, oh. Yan. Okay. Ibuhin na na yung motor ba? Okay. Go, let's go, baby. Oh, here. Where's that? Let's see more. Huh? Yeah. Oh, this is Hagerstown. Hmm? Go. Go. Huh?
Is this one too?
Yeah.
We are?
Thank you.
5 miles.
Ha? Ang ano?
Pennsylvania.
Oh, it's 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour drive. Alright.
Gato na kamo sa
Yan, no, nasa ano tayo? South Mountains. South Mountain Restroom. Dito, washroom babae. Shh. Yan, no. Alright. Yan, no. Blue Star Memorial. Amig. What's that? Yan, no. So Florida, we're wearing shorts and a t-shirt only. But here, right, you know, it's cool. It's good. There's no snow, right? Right. Madam.
Lambot po.
Ayan o. Finally. Finally. Finally ma. Ayan o. Ayan o. Finally. Ayan. Pa-picture lang. Ayan o. Pennsylvania I-70. Ayan. Kunting pa-picture. And then parga na naman. Ayan o. Ayan.
Saan na niya? Nagpindot ka na?
Dito lang. Wow. Madam, oh.
Next time,
Kumakain.
spaghetti time.
Yeah.
From Mami
Ayun.
Betty.
Ayun, oh, ano yan? So, saan na kami sumusuot-suot ngayon? Ayan, Karina, Interstate Highway pa ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Hindi na natin alam kung anong daan na to. Basta sunod lang ng sunod sa GPS. Dadalhin tayo nito sa bahay. Ayan. Ayan. May truck, oh. Oh. That's it. What's that?
Broken relationship.
Look at that.
What broken relationship?
And I thought, and their foolish hearts were darkened. Okay, good. Okay, Sam, matikita ka na.
You can do it when it's true.
Yeah, we can do
Look at that, ma.
Isa pa. Oversized. So big. Ano
Yeah.
sunod sa gitna? Oil?
Tangke ko ano na.
Mga oil?
Tangke ka gas. Ayan, ginabi na kami. Time check 4:40. Alright. Parang labas na natin ito, ano na? Papalo na.
Oh no.
May 2 hours pa, papalo na. 4 hours na. Alright! Where are we now? We don't know.
Heading to Buffalo.
Oh, heading to the follow. What place is this? I don't know. We go side road from
Washington.
that's Washington Street,
Washington Square.
Washington Square,
Wa-
Buffalo.
Wa- Washington Square.
Okay, alright. Iyan. Ayan, no? Tingnan mo yung dinadaanan namin. I don't know. Hindi namin alam. Nakarating kami dito. Tingnan mo yung kahoy. Ang ganda, oh.
Daming snow.
Basta, sentro mo eh.
Daming snow.
Yan. Tingnan mo yung kahoy sa taas. Yan. So look at that. Alright. Scary, no? Alright.
Yan o, may Buffalo na.
Alright.
Buffalo, the news.
We are now here at Buffalo.
Towards Fort Erie Camp.
Alright, approaching the Canadian border. Ayan. Vacation is over. That's it. That's it. Ayan. Alright, ayan na. Malapit na tayo. Ayan, tingnan mo. Ayan, ang Buffalo. Alright.
Rear left.
Hindi na to. Kinakaikik ko man. Ay, 0.5. Always 0.5. Ayan. Andi na tayo sa ko baba mo. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa Peace Bridge. Entering Canada. Yeah, finally.
Home sweet
Home
home.
sweet home.
After how many
No
days?
cars at
After
no
2
cars
weeks.
At all. Ay, ba yung card mo? No cars at all. Alright, let's go. Okay na. Prepare your car. Pula.
Okay, okay.
Welcome, Canada! Woohoo!
Good job! Good job, Wandering BJ, ha?
Ayan, naka-cross
For
na
2
kami
weeks.
ng border!
For 2 weeks vacation.
Woohoo! Home sweet home! Bakbakan na! Team Lagawan! Nakauwi na yung Team Lagawan!
Damn.
Alright! Woo! Wala na, ubos na. Mga pagod, oh.
Pagod ang gutom.
Gutom ang Team Lagawan na.
Sarap.
Yan.